Hello, this is Manish Mehta, and in this video, I'm sharing with you work from home internship with stipend. Yes, you can earn some money with internship from Internsala. Okay, I am giving the link in the description. Just click on that link and you will enter to the Internsala page. If you have already registered in the Internsala, then you will just have to click register with Google and you will enter to this page. Okay, if you have not registered to Internsala, then you have to fill the details which will be asked. Okay, then you can log in into Internsala. Okay, so you just have to register. Then after registering, you will log in and you will enter to this page in the Internsala. Okay, so this is get set intern, and the important thing in here is that there are 2500 plus short term work from home internships. Yes, intern for 15 to 30 days in your favorite profiles from your home. Just 15 to 13 days. Okay, in your favorite profile, and it is from your home. Okay, this is work from home internship. And the second thing is that it is guaranteed stipend up to 20,000. Yes, you can earn up to 20,000 in just a month. Okay, all and it is a early entry contest. Yes, it's not just that you are earning, you can earn apart from this internships. Means whatever you are earning while doing internship, you can earn more than that. You can earn from here. That is early entry contest. This is something contest types of thing which is going from 27th to 31st July. Okay, just participate as much early as you can, and you are going to win up to 10,000. And from 1st August to 3 August, you can apply for work from home internships. Means now you just can do is that you just have to participate in the contest. From 1st to 3rd August, you can apply for the internships. Okay, so how whatever you your performance in the early entry contest, that will decide your winning and other things. Okay, so this is also important part. This is a contest types of things. Okay, so you can invite through WhatsApp and copy link and so you are going to earn 7,000 Paytm cash if you get the highest number of referrals. Means if you will share this link through WhatsApp or copy link, then learn you will earn up to 7,000 Paytm cash if you will be the highest number of referrals. Okay, or you will earn 3,000 Paytm cash if you're the second highest referrals. Okay, so that's how you will learn. So you just have to share. That's also uh, 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 help you to earn money. Okay, so that's it what I wants to share. So I'm giving you link in the description. Just click on that link and register and log in and come to this page and apply for it. This is a wonderful opportunity for all the students who are free at their home. Okay, and earn some money from home and get the certificate too. Yes, you will get the certificate which will help in your campus placements. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. If you want to more such updates regarding the internships from home, regarding the placements and many more thing, you just subscribe my channel. You can ask any your queries in the comment box. Okay, and what you have to do is you just join the WhatsApp group which is given in the description. Okay, where I post the other things which I not able to post in the YouTube. So thank you very much for watching this video.